every battle thereafter, the army of Allah that would prostrate by night, fast by day, and elevate the kalima of Allah by day. Nothing stood in front of them. In battles, there were 5,000, 10,000. The Persians came in 100,000, 200,000. When they would see them, and there were times where you'll find in the hadith, they would walk over water as one walks over soft sand. And when the Persian would see them, they would say, Diwan Ahmad, Diwan Ahmad. These are not human beings, these are jinnat. And they would run from the battlefield. Rome and Persia melted before them like snow melts under the hot sun. Nothing can stand before Allah's name. Nothing can stand before Allah. The army of Allah cannot be defeated.